watching One India News YouTube channel and I am Neha. Virat Kohli and his boys will be tested in yet another test series, and this time for the Border Gavaskar Trophy against Steve Smith-led Australia. Here are the probable 11 for the first test. KL Rahul is certainly the first choice for opener with Murali Vijay. Among all teams, Vijay enjoys batting against Australia the most. KL Rahul needs a big score at Pune as his place is not yet certain in the Indian squad. For the choice of middle order batsmen, Cheteshwar Pujara, skipper Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane are the best choice at the moment. Pujara with a century against New Zealand and 2 against Australia will look to crush Australia with his batting geniuses. Skipper Virat Kohli does not need any predictions. He has 6 centuries against Australia already, and with an amazing season so far, he will go on to take Kangaroos in the best possible way. Ajinkya Rahane made a comeback to the test side after an injury, and this will be a test for him as well. Ravichandran Ashwin will surely be used as an all-rounder in the team. He can be called ahead of Wriddhiman Saha in the batting order. Considering his ability to bat, this is one sure possibility. Wriddhiman Saha will be keeping the stumps for India. There are no doubts over his skills as a batsman even after his shaky performance in the recent past. His well-timed century has mummed his critics for now, and the role at number 7 is ideally suited for this Bengal wicketkeeper. Now let's talk about the bowlers department. Apart from bowling, the biggest positive for Ravindra Jadeja is the fact that he has improved his batting. Steve Smith needs to be wary of this bowling machine for survival. Considering the fact that Australia has a lot of southpaws, Jayant Yadav will be the ideal spinner with R. Ashwin as he can productively share the workload. He has proved his amazing batting skills with a smashing century at number 9 against England. Let's talk about the pacer department for India now. With 3 specialist pace bowlers, Ishant Sharma, Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Umesh Yadav, Yadav and Bhuvneshwar Kumar should be the pick of the bowlers against Australia. Though Ishant is more experienced, but he is injury prone and the young duo Bhuvi and Umesh can contribute more to the team. India will take on Australia in the first test starting in Pune from 23rd February. Well, that's all in this video. For more updates on India and Australia test series, please keep coming back to One India News YouTube channel, and also do not forget to subscribe us.